intro. Hi guys, this is Subtodemetry. This is part 1. And in this title, it is going to the jeep. By the time I am recording this, I am inside the jeep. You may be noticing why is it black outside. Because it is 6 a.m. Oh wait. Yeah, 6 a.m. So, but there is a truck behind me. There's a truck behind me. So, I am excited to go to SM. It says, show yourself. Shane, show yourself. Shane. Hi. Okay. He's my tita. There's so many people. There's so many people. 11 out of 29 people in this field trip. This is Subtodemetry and see you in the next video.